Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and I am in the boiler room with Jeremy Tyler.
Hey guys.
So we wanted to do a quick little video on, I guess, to get recommendations from you guys on what you would like to see for our new content called Whiteboard Wednesdays. So Whiteboard Wednesdays, our intention behind that is to do tutorials on things that you guys want to know and want to hear from. So for example, what is SEO? How do you use digital marketing in your business to help grow, or whether you want to implement more sales, etc. So we're gonna be doing a little series starting in April, and we look forward to getting your feedback on what you would like to see from us as far as content.
Yeah, let us know what you'd like to see. This is all common knowledge to us, and it happens time and time again where we realize that people want to know this information, understanding how to apply digital to your business, even what is digital marketing. It's becoming more mainstream, but we want to really give back to not only our customers, but people that have followed and supported us through this, and help you guys understand best practices for applying digital to your business to help grow your businesses in this digital age. So we look forward to hearing your feedbacks, your suggestions, and we look forward to creating this content.
Thanks, guys.
See ya.